because this damn exhaust is so loud. It's ridiculous. Like, it's next level loud. I didn't mind it at first, but trying to daily drive this dang dune buggy, it's got to be quieter. And so I have a solution for that. And I'm excited to see how much it actually quiets it down. If it does. It might still be retardedly loud, which I might just have to accept that, but I'm gonna at least try. So we're gonna head over to my buddy Ted's and see if he can help us out, because I kind of got to modify this silencer that I got for this Stinger exhaust. Yeah.
Really? Well, not anymore.
Yeah. But I mean, you know, it's got some scary attributes like no front brakes.
You got a turning brake.
I got turning brake.
You got a turning brake. That's all you need.
Rear view mirrors brakes are overrated.
Wow, the turning brake. It's just kind of, I'm not saying it's a beater, but the paint job is mediocre enough, and it's got enough little chips and bullshit, and the stickers didn't help. So it's getting to where I'm stressing less about driving it.
So cool.
You know? Yeah. I do want to replace the front license plate, though. It's too far gone even for me. The sticker one. This sun out here, it's just from parking it out in front of this place. At home it lives in the garage. Oh, man.
What are you guys working on today?
Just diagnosed. Honestly, today I've just been like putting out tiny fires and playing Shell Answer Man. I haven't really done anything very
Oh, you got me squared, right?
I got you investigated, Michael. That's about as much as it gets.
I'm gonna think it back when I get home. Tell you how to get it. So help a lot. Yeah, let's go ahead.
I will be interested. Yeah, I'll get that stuff coming.
I'll get out of his way.
Oh, right, yeah. And actually, Nate, just pull it right on in and keep it in the shade.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, sweet.
Yeah, nothing else is fine for the space this second. I'm gonna go on a spring order in distance.
All right. Oh, let's all go deaf.
Okay, let's see. It's rear spring Orama for me.
Yeah?
Well, so much for all that paving.
Did it?
Between the paving and the...
I know how you feel.
Yeah, it's not my comfort zone.
Tax, good as new.
It fit.
Really?
Yeah.
Will it stay?
Just do a couple. We'll just do a couple.
They warned me that it shoots out like a cannon when they're not with the screw just vibrates.
Oh, you want to make it?
No, I don't want it. But he
Sure?
said it goes like so high it's not even funny. It's like a cannon.
Really?
Yeah.
So we need to do maybe more than a tack.
Maybe like
just-
2
And by
tacks.
the way,
Two
so
halves.
last night when I was welding on mine, I would just have Nate back up and then the welder come
Way
right out that door.
It is
That
way
way we're not-
easier.
I could do that.
Sorry.
Yeah. Back where Darren's parked.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and at least yesterday, I was able to just back in between Darren's car and the
Okay.
shed. But if Darren's car is a little close, and just have Darren move and get it back
Yeah.
there.
Just
Anyhow,
I
it's
am-
easier
back
than
it in.
trying
You'll
to
see
Easy,
back there.
easy.
You are
Easy.
crowded.
All right. Well, we'll see you over there. then.
Okay.
Crowded crap. What is? This is just for fun.
Yeah, so you got this. That's for, you put that up for when you're on the dunes.
You're on the dunes. Actually, it's not tall enough for the dunes, is it?
Well, I don't know. It's like,
What is it? Just so people can
I thought it
find
was,
you.
Oh yeah, that's plenty tall. But you're still supposed to have a flag too, right?
sometimes I drive around Denver like this and hit all the bridges. Just for shits and giggles. Looks like people think it's like a bumper car.
Oh my god, that is hilarious.
Yeah, I don't know if what the law is with the windshield. If I actually
If
need
you're
one.
wearing glasses, you don't have to have a windshield.
Seriously?
Well, okay, I believe that's the case because you can ride a motorcycle.
Yes, that's what I was
Well,
wondering.
this is even better. You got 4 wheels. You never have to put your feet down. So, you know.
Eye protect. Okay.
Yeah, I think the eye protection is all they could really do. you.
I thought maybe even getting a plexiglass like this just to, and then getting a Power Wheels windshield wiper. You know, the ones that are like this big and you just.
Do not have to have a windshield.
I don't.
Yeah.
Oh.
I used to drive around my Lancers windshield folded down all the time.
Right. Yeah, that's another good example.
Oh
You can't
my
bust it for that.
That's awesome.
Yeah. So yeah, if you're gonna do that shit, just do it because you want to.
That makes me happy. Okay. Cool.
This really is cool.
Are you-
gotta love floor mats like that, man.
That's true. Are you good with Weber carbs? What is
Sort of.
Is this big one the?
So there's these two are the idle mixture,
Okay.
and that's it. And then accelerator pump diaphragm is there, and then where do you even access the jets though?
So this definitely has jets. It's not a.
Yes, but why am I suddenly not able to find them? What the fuck? Oh, I'll bet you on these. I'll bet you on these they're accessed. I'll bet they go straight down from under the air cleaner. So there would be a selection of jets. You know, you've got jets and emulsion tubes and air correctors, and I have a reasonable amount of that stuff for DCOEs, but I probably have none of it for these unless it's the same.
Cool.
So if the jetting is already correct for this engine, or at least close enough, nothing fuff, I can get it carburetor wise to be as good as it's going to get for
Cool.
what's here. If it gets to where you have to start experimenting with jets.
Oh man. Was this like a 66?
64.
64.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my God. Look at the sticker.
Yes, and that's legit. This car raced at Vandermeer. It's got the roll bar and the dents to prove it.
Oh my God. Look at this engine.
Yeah, this is the one. That's
Holy.
347.
This was sitting on the stand over here, wasn't it?
Kind of. I still got one sitting on the stand. It was the original plan, and then that went all sideways on me, so I got to buy this instead.
This thing is. So like realistically, what power do you think this makes?
Well, this dyno from Blueprint at 400 and 400. But the beauty of it is the torque curve from 2500 to 5200 for the torque is above 390 that whole time, and it goes well over 417 for like 3,000.
That's so much horsepower out of a small
And then the
block.
horsepower is, you know, further up, but the torque and the horsepower. What did you do with it?
What I do with what?
That pipe?
Nothing. I haven't touched it.
I don't believe it.
I have not touched it, man. Not since it's been cut.
Doing a weird arcing there, isn't it?
Yeah.
A few moments later.
my God. So much quieter. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, that made the world's biggest difference.
We'll just give it a few more little
Oh
runs
my
to see.
God, that's huge. I can actually hear and talk and have a conversation. And then my ears won't be ringing for like 12 hours. I'm gonna go back inside. Back inside. There you go. Go ahead. I can actually have a conversation now. That was a big difference. Wow, this thing's actually more streetable now. Like, a lot more streetable. I can't believe how big of a difference that made. If you have this exhaust setup, you have a Stinger setup, and it has no baffles, which this didn't before, and you're deciding to put in baffles, I would vouch for it, and it is worth every penny. This cost me 20 bucks and some welding, and it made this completely more drivable on the street. Still same amount of power, but wow. Thanks for watching, guys. Tune into another episode, I guess. Yeah.